Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up YouTube Music in Tesla. For that, you just have to simply follow these steps. First of all, you just have to open your mobile device and open Bluetooth. After that, you just have to simply go to the Tesla's infotainment system and navigate to the settings, then go to Bluetooth, then select the option of add device, and after that you just have to simply start searching for it. You can even also view it in this image. So go to add new device and start searching for the new device. Find the phone's Bluetooth and connect to it. After connecting to it, you just have to simply open the YouTube Music application on your mobile device, and you can search for the music or the playlists that you want to play, and you can start playing. So this was the one of the methods. If you want to know more methods with the help of which you can set up YouTube Music in Tesla, do let me know in the comment section below. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.